Hello there everybody, welcome back to a new episode. In this one we're taking a moment to look at Galaxy Next Generation again. Now of course this is one that we looked at previously where I accidentally called it a 26-cent stock, whereas in reality it was only 2 cents, 2.8. So I'm sorry about that one, but right now we can see that the price is almost 3 cents, which is extremely cheap. And I think, you know, a lot of people are seeing this stock as a decent buy right now. Now of course it is up to you to make your own opinions, but in this one I'm going to be giving my personal perspective and views on this one for the long term and whether it is a buy or not. If it does sound like a good topic for a video, by all means please do leave a like and do subscribe to the channel, and of course let's just jump straight into this video. So when we are looking at our screens right now, we can see that this one has been moving quite decently over the past 5 days. You know, we're up 146% on the 5-day period. I mean, wow, it really is starting to gain some traction. Now, of course, it is still worth absolutely nothing per share at 2 cents. It's extremely cheap, but we can see, you know, it is really starting to build some traction. Now, of course, on the 5-day chart, we can see that we did see a bit of a sell-off from the 31st of December, and I think rightly so. We have been on a big increase all the way up from the previous week, and of course looking at it now we saw a little bit of a sell-off bringing us down to the low of 2 cents, 0.1. So of course 2.1 cents, you know, it's really cheap at that point, and it is starting to go back up already. So I do think this is showing some signs of strength. So looking at the market on the, I believe it was a Thursday when it was last open, we can see we were back in the red again, but really what we are seeing from about 1400 is the fact that the stock is starting to go back up, and I do think this is putting us in a great position for Monday when the market's open. And I do believe that we can definitely see some positivity off of that one. So yeah, my personal views on this one is, I believe for what the company does, you know, for a long-term view, it is definitely a decent buy. I think what also helps this one for being a decent buy is the current price per share at only 2 cents is extremely cheap. I think a lot more people, once they find out about it, will be trying to buy into this one. Now my personal opinion, would I be buying thousands of shares like a lot of people in the descriptions, like comments of previous videos were doing? I personally wouldn't be doing that. I wouldn't be buying thousands of it because I just think at such a low price it'd be very volatile in my personal view. But obviously going in with a few shares, you know, if you were to buy maybe like $10 worth, it would not be too much overall, and of course it's definitely a decent play for the future in my view. I think especially with what we are going on with right now, seeing a lot of the schooling and whatnot being online, and of course that is what this company does operate with. I think it is seeing, you know, a great market shift potentially in the future, and of course if this company can get a bit of that market shift and get a bit of the success that's coming out of that industry, they can definitely get some decent growth on their shares. So yeah, overall I definitely see this as one to watch into 2021. Definitely keep your eye on it, and of course yeah, if you want to see it covered in the future, please do leave a like and subscribe. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the quick video. My personal view is definitely keep your eye on this one, but of course I am not a financial advisor, so I hope you enjoyed the very quick video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.